Well, good morning, good people. Mark Holmes here, and as always, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. So, they are not wasting any time this morning. They are going through, they're getting the rafters on. So, it's going to be a one level house here. And I've actually got my hyperlapse camera filming this so you guys can see how quickly this goes. They delivered the shingles this morning, and they've got the doors and the windows in there. They are going to get this thing done real quick. Wow. Well, good morning, good people. Mark Holmes here, and as always, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Um, the house, they have stopped working on it. They were going gangbusters. They started the framing work last Monday, and about midday on Friday, that's where they stopped at. Right there, right there. And it's beginning to rain, kind of a misty rain, but I don't think it's going to be much of anything. But yeah, I'm not sure when they're coming back, but it's now Thursday, so it's been almost a week. You can see the rafters are laying there in the dirt and stuff. The OSB is there on the side, and yeah, but it's been interesting watching them get going on it. I hope they get going on it before the wood starts to get weathered, because you don't want the OSB subflooring and stuff to be exposed for too long. You know, right now it's only been a week, that's not a big deal, but if you end up getting periods with a lot of rain, and we've got Aaron that's actually out, of course, in the ocean, won't hit us, but there's always rain that kind of comes around from it. You don't want a lot of the subflooring and things to get really saturated, because it ends up creating weaknesses in the forwards going ahead. So we'll see what we see. As always, I appreciate you guys. Peace.